Yeah.
You know, those tall bushes over there,
Yeah.
if your camera allows you to view them directly into the sun, in them you see black, because that's what's inside them.
Oh.
Those yellow things are fluffy, but the sun shines through and the interior is black like that. It's gorgeous.
Okay.
It's great for meditation, but I don't know if you can take it looking into the sun. It's the only way you see it.
Okay. I'm gonna go check it out.
Enjoy.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, I think I'm done for the day. I've been out for about an hour taking pictures with Richie Roche's Kodachrome film recipe, with my X-T30 and the 35mm f2.0. The color looks really nice. The sky is really pronounced. It's really dark. It's maybe sort of like a little generic looking, in a good way. I mean, it just looks kind of classic. Okay, the GoPro ran out of batteries, and I didn't bring a spare with me, so I'm just using the X-T30 to film this. Okay, I've tried to record some thoughts about this film recipe 2 times. The first time, the GoPro ran out of batteries, completely out of batteries. I didn't bring a spare. And then the second time, well, I tried it with 35mm f2.0, and the focal length is just too zoomed in. It's just too, obviously my face is too big. I'm tired, my feet are soaking wet. My feet have been through basically all the snow in Ypsilanti on this bike ride. So at any rate, I just wanted to say a couple things about the film recipe before I lose interest and just go home. But it looks good. It looks like a better version of Provia. That's how I would describe it. It looks like something that you could use for like all sorts of stuff. It's not overly loaded with character, which is probably a good thing. It looks filmic. It looks like it looks like a good film simulation, which I think is exactly what Richie Roche wanted to achieve with it. So I think it's good. I'm going to load them onto my Mac and transfer them over to Photos, and then edit them using the Photos app on my phone. Just like I said in the last video, just to stay sort of in the mindset of just using JPEGs rather than using the RAW files. So I'm not going to delete the RAW files. I shot RAW and JPEG just because it's nice to have, well, it's just nice to have the RAW. Because who knows, anytime that you go out, you may end up shooting an image that is going to turn out to be one of your favorite images. So it's always good to shoot both. But in this case, I'm committing to the JPEGs. So that's what I'm going to prioritize. And I'll let you have a look at the colors. I hope you enjoy the pictures. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Trees, snow, benches, stadiums, bleachers, one dog. Yeah.